A massive geopolitical earthquake is currently rocking Silicon Valley and Washington, D.C. Tensions surrounding the future of physical AI have boiled over into closed door White House briefings. Elon Musk and Tesla are racing to launch the mass production of the Optimus humanoid robot. But the Trump administration is facing immense political pressure to protect American manufacturing jobs. Is the United States about to stall its own technological revolution? Fremont transformation to Texas Giga-Scale. Inside Tesla's Fremont plant, the legendary Model S and Model X assembly lines have been completely ripped out and retrofitted for Optimus humanoid robots. Musk has set an aggressive production target for late July or August 2026. However, bringing up bipedal humanoid to market requires over 10,000 highly unique components with no mature supply chain in existence. While initial scaling will be painfully slow, Tesla's ultimate roadmap is staggering. In Texas, plans are underway for a specialized mega facility capable of producing up to 1 million units annually. If realized, Optimus will not just optimize factory floors, it will completely rewrite the economic rules of human labor and value creation globally. Labor market existential threats and political meltdown. This is precisely where the geopolitical and social crisis ignites. Leading economists project that mass humanoid deployment could displace hundreds of thousands of low to medium skilled jobs within years. From automotive assembly lines to logistics warehouses, packaging centers, and agricultural labor, human workers are facing an unprecedented automation wave. Powerful labor unions, including the United Auto Workers (UAW), are sounding the alarms, describing humanoid robotics as an existential threat to American labor. Union leaders are demanding mandatory federal restrictions and strict employment guarantees. Political strategists in Washington now fear that a sudden surge in automation could spark massive economic unrest across key industrial battleground states. The threat of China's robotics dominance. Meanwhile, across the Pacific, China is executing a radically different, highly aggressive strategy. Tech giants and state-backed firms like Unitree, Agibbot, UBTech, and Byte are already shipping tens of thousands of humanoid units annually, fueled by massive Beijing subsidies and administrative support. Chinese companies are rapidly driving down manufacturing costs. US intelligence and policymakers view this not merely as commercial competition, but as a critical national security threat. if the US government slows down Tesla's Optimus program, it risks ceding physical AI leadership to China, leaving critical American industries dependent on foreign hardware, sensors, and operating software. Trump's policy dilemma and soft braking controls. The Trump administration finds itself trapped in an organizing strategic dilemma. On one hand, President Trump stands as a fearless defender of the American worker under the America First banner. On the other hand, sacrificing AI leadership to China contradicts national security imperatives. According to White House insiders, instead of an outright ban, regulators are preparing a soft braking regulatory framework expects stringent OSHA safety certifications, mandatory worker retraining taxes, and strict job impact audits for federal contractors while designed to caution the labor market. These bureaucratic hurdles could severely handicap Tesla's speed to market. Musk's counter strategy and strategic leverage. Elon Musk is not backing down without a high-stakes fight, leveraging his massive public reach on X and the immense economic weight of Tesla and SpaceX. Musk is framing Optimus as America's ultimate national security shield. High core argument to Washington is simple. Robotics will not destroy American jobs. It will reshore manufacturing back from Asia and prevent China from dominating the 21st century economy. The Lion Optimus gives Beijing a multi-year head start in accumulating real-world physical training data. In our upcoming investigative deep dive, we uncover classified reports regarding China's military research centers integrating humanoid robotics into tactical logistics and double-use defense operations. How will the Pentagon respond? Hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you never miss an update. Join the frontier of AI infrastructure revolution and my channel AI Revolution.